Estoy bajando a la cámara magmática esta noche.
Hello, I'm Carla and this is my project. Here I have a volcano with igneous rocks that are destructive and intrusive. Here I have obsidian that is an extrusive rock, that extrusive igneous rock. It's a result of lava that cools down and solidifies on the Earth's surface. If I go this way, I can enter into the magmatic cave. And I have the let's see if I can enter the magmatic cave in this way. I'm right here. Where it is? Okay. This will be the magmatic cave, but if I go this way, I have another view of it with the magma here. If I go here, I can see the process of the magma that cools down and solidifies under the Earth's surface and turns into granite. And this will be the volcano. The next type of rock will be the sedimentary and the and the metamorphic that are usually in the caves or rivers. Sorry. Here I have a cave that I made up myself. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay. If I go this way, I can see the interior of the cave, the tunnel. And here I have the slate that will be a metamorphic rock. That is the slate was a rock in the past, but due to the extreme pressure and temperature of the cave, it has turned into a metamorphic rock. And the gravel is a sedimentary rock formed by the compaction of sediments or fragments of another rocks. Let's see if I can go out the cave. Okay. And now I'm gonna do the rock cycle. Firstly, I'm gonna take obsidian and turn it into cobblestone. It will be the passage into um, the passage of igneous rock to a metamorphic rock. Okay, this is the temperature, and if I but pressure, it turns into cobblestone. The next step will be the metamorphic into sedimentary. Well, and the igneous into metamorphic. Sorry, into sedimentary. And I have to take the granite that is the intrusive rock, and the cobblestone is the metamorphic rock. If I go this way, at the top of the river, or whatever it is, okay, they turn into, the sediments turn into gravel, and so the sediments of the cobblestone and granite will turn into clay and gravel. The cobblestone into gravel, and the granite into clay. And this will be the rock cycle and the type of rock in Minecraft.
Hello, my name is Javier and I'm going to explain you the rock cycle. The rock cycle is a process when the rocks transfer to other types. The types are igneous rock, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. The metamorphic rocks are formed by a igneous or a sedimentary rock that, with the pressure and the high temperature, compress made in other rock. In this, like this, the quartz is transforming to shale with the high temperature and high pressure. Other types of metamorphic rocks are schist and gneiss. Okay, the sedimentary rocks. Under the ocean, we have sand that accumulates by the erosion of the rocks. The sediments go to the soil of the sea, forming sand, and the sand accumulates and compress, doing high pressure. This high pressure compresses the sand, making sandstone, and when it goes to the mantle of the earth and the crust bath very deep, the temperature and the high pressure combines, forming a metamorphic rocks that is quartzite, made by the sandstone. The sedimentary rocks have three types, more than because they have grains. If the grains are more than 2 millimeters, they are one type, and they can be breccia and conglomerated. Conglomerated is when the grain is cyclically, and breccia is when it has arrests. Okay, the other type is lower than 2 millimeters, but we can see the grain, like sandstone. And the other is the grains are not visible at the a naked eye, but with a microscope we can see the grains, like clay. Other type of metamorphic rocks are limestone. The last type are igneous rock, and are doing from the volcanoes. So the volcanoes are form um, very slow. So I will put it fast for that the video don't word of 1 month. Okay, I will wait to a volcano when a volcano is formed. Oh, a volcano is forming. Here is a hole. Okay, there is starting forming a volcano, but is very slow the formation of a volcano. So I will wait. Okay, the volcano now is forming is so fast because I'm not it will be boring. Oh my god, the volcano is forming. Oh, I will put it in fast cam so I will not speak. Oh, the volcano start in eruption. I will see the volcanic rocks. The volcanic rocks are flying to the land, so I will go to see. The volcanic rocks are a type of igneous rock that form out of the volcano, don't have crystals, and have pores because they have oxygen and bubbles. This is obsidian, and I will wait to the volcanoes start cold to see the plutonic rocks that form into the volcano. So I will wait to the eruption finish. The eruption finished, so I will see I will search for the plutonic rocks. So I will go into the volcano. Um, oh, here are some plutonic rocks. They have crystal, but we can see it. And they're not haven't pores. I will see what rocks are these because I don't know. So I will see it. Oh, this is what? Oh, this is what? Granite. Oh, this is granite. This. Oh, this is diorite. And the other one, I will see. Oh, it's very hot. It's very hot. And this is gabbro, but it's very hot here, so I will go out from the volcano. This is my rock cycle video. I hope you like it. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Mario. Today I'm going to explain the rock cycle. The rock cycle starts with the three types of rocks. Here we have the igneous rock. Here we have the metamorphic rocks. And here we have the sedimentary rocks. Now we are going to the igneous rock. So the igneous rock are formed from molten rocks from the mantle. The molten rocks I represented here. And there are two types. There are the volcanic rocks that are extrusive, and there are the plutonic rocks that they are intrusive. The volcanic rocks are formed from lava that cools down and solidifies on the Earth's surface. So this process is very quickly, so they don't have crystals, or they are very small, microscopic. They have a microscopic size. But sometimes they have holes that we call air vesicles. Then we have the plutonic rocks. The plutonic rocks are formed from the magma underground that cools down and solidifies. But this solidify under the Earth's surface. But this process is very slow, and it happens under a lot of pressure. So they have crystals. I forgot. An example of volcanic rocks can be basalt, pumice, obsidian, and an example of plutonic rocks are periodite, syenite, gabbro, granite. Now we are going to the metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks started out as some other type of rocks like this, but they changed from the original type. They form from the other rocks are subjected to extreme pressure, heat, high pressure, very deep underground. Some metamorphic rocks are formed in parallel sheets or layers. This is called foliation. An example of metamorphic rocks can be slate, schist, or gneiss. Wait a moment. Okay. Here we have the sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed from the compaction of sediments or fragments of the other rocks. There are different types of sedimentary rocks with varying size or grains or classed. So, classed more than 2 millimeters, we have the conglomerates that the clasts are rounded, and here we have the breccia, that the clasts are angular. Then clast less than 2 millimeters, but visible to naked eye, like sandstone. And here we have clasts not visible with naked eye, like clay, limestone, or shale. This is the final of my video. I hope that you like, and bye.
Hello, my name is Romeo Moran. I'm explaining the rock cycle of first ASA of Colegio Nazaret. Come here. This is my world of Minecraft.
Come on. This is the volcano. And this is the sea. I look alike. Oh, it's a people. He needs help. Oh, what? Hello, my friend. I look a people can. Help me? Can you help me? Yes. Other. Can you explain to other that what the rock cycle? Yes. Touch this button. Okay, let's go. Oh, the inner rock. The inner rock is formed by the volcanic rock extrusive and plutonic rock intrusive. Go to the volcanic rock. Oh, the volcanic rocks. The volcanic rocks are formed from lava that cool down and solidify on the Earth's surface. This process is very quick. For example, the obsidian is formed by granite, mass rhyolite, and basalt. Plutonic rock intrusive. Go! The plutonic rock is formed from the magma chamber. Oh, it's very hot. Okay, and the plutonic rocks are formed from magma underground that cool down and solidify on the Earth's surface. This process is very slow. For example, the grave of granite. I explain the metamorphic rock, but I need a friend, rock mega rock. The foot of rock mega rock. Go, rock mega rock. Hey. No. Rob, stop. Oh no. No problem, Rob. I break the stone. Let's go. This is the gallery of lava. Stop it here, Rock Mega Rock. The metamorphic rock is formed by high pressure and heat. This rock stays out as some other type of rocks. Come here, Rock Mega Rock. Stop here. Oh, it's very hot. No problem. I have shoes of metal. I put the foot of Mega Rock. Oh, the water is the best thing of the world. Okay, and explain the sedimentary rocks. These rocks have formed from the combustion of sediment or fragments of other rocks. They are different types of sediment rocks, with varying size of organisms. For example, the sand is fall to the river or glacier, and have two types: the conglomerate and breccia. The conglomerate class less than 2 mm but visible with naked eye. For example, the sandstone. And the breccia class not visible with the naked eye. For example, clay, limestone, or shale. Okay. And let's go to the canyon. This is my volcano and the river of sedimentary rocks. Oh, he's a zombie. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Hector, and now I'm going to tell the rock cycle. This is my volcano. First, I explain the igneous rock. There are two types, volcanic rock extrusive and plutonic rock intrusive. Okay, here is the volcanic rock extrusive. He is made from lava on their surface. He is made so quickly, and this is why they don't have crystal, for example, obsidian. Okay, now I'm going to tell the plutonic rock intrusive. He is intrusive the volcano. Okay, here is the plutonic rock. Okay, the plutonic rock are formed from magma under their surface. This process is very slowly, and this is why they have crystals. For example, peridotite. Okay, now I'm going to tell the metamorphic rock. This rock started as other type of rock, but they changed to the original type. They found when other rocks are subject to heat and high pressure very deep under the ground, for example, slate. Now I'm going to tell the sedimentary rock. Okay. Here is the sedimentary rock. The sedimentary rock is when a rock is modified by the water. When the rock is cooled down to the water, they modify it to conglomerate or breccia. Conglomerate is a circle form, and breccia is another form. Bye!
Hello and welcome to my biology and geology work. Today we are going to explain the cycle of rocks. There are three types: sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. We are going to go to the igneous. On igneous are two types: intrusive and extrusive, or volcanic and plutonic. The volcanic are the extrusive rocks, such as like basalt or obsidian. And the intrusive, such as the diorite or granite. The intrusive are made slowly, so they have tiny crystals. The extrusive are made quickly, so they don't have crystals. Now we go to sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are made on the rivers when they form with other rocks. We can find two types of sedimentary rocks: conglomerate and breccia. Breccia are when they have angular rocks, and conglomerate when they don't have angular rocks. Now we go to metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed with extreme height and pressure. We can make it with this metamorphic rocks machine. We're going to take diorite and we're going to put on this, here, and we're going to make the pressure. Now we have a no pulled diorite. Now we stop to make the temperature and pressure, and we climb the rock bar. we have diorite.